Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the factory reset on your Baseus Storm 3 earbuds. So to do this we got two methods. The first one, you can basically do this in this Baseus application by going to this settings icon and selecting the restore default settings, then click OK. But also, if you are, for example, not connected with the application or it is not working properly, you have to grab this earbuds, put it to the case, then simply close it, open it, and right now you have to use this button. It's located right here at the bottom of the case, and basically click and hold it for a few seconds until this indicator starts blinking on the red 3 times. Right now you can release, and as you can see, right now we are disconnected. We got automatically the new pairing request, so it means that we basically perform the hard reset. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.